Students, let's discuss exercise 7.1, second Roman. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the towns A and B? Discussed in section 7.2. In section 7.2, already like this one question is there. Okay, this question also related to like that only. Here first we need to find out the distance. So already we know that what is the formula for distance? X1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So distance between the points, we know that 36, 15 and 0, 0 is equal to square root of 36 minus 0. Substitute in this formula. X1 is 36. Here took x1, y1 and x2, y2. So 36 x1 minus x2 is 0 plus y1 is 15 and y2 is 0. So 15 minus 0 the whole square. So 36 square plus 15 square. So 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. So 1296 plus 225 is square root of 1521. Then square root of 1521 is 39. So here we found the distance between the 2 points. At the same time in this question, find the distance between two towns A and B. So the first town here we can consider as 0, 0, and the second town we can consider as 13, 6, 15. So we found their distance. So what is the distance? Distance is 39. So the distance between town A and B will be 39 kilometer. Students, let's discuss exercise 7.1, third Roman. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. So let the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11 be representing the vertices A, B and C. Here given 3 points. So we can represent the first point as A, second point as B and third point as C. So already we know that. Then the 3 coordinates sometimes can make a triangle. But here we need to prove that the given points can make a straight line or not. So that is the meaning is here collinear. Collinear means the all the points lie on the same line. So that is meant by collinear. Okay. Here we need to verify that the given 3 points lie on a straight line or not. So here see this. For example, here I drawn one straight line. On the straight line, I plotted 3 points A, B, C. So how to check the given 3 points are in a straight line? So first we need to find out the distance between the points A and B. And the next we need to find out the distance between the points B and C. For example, distance between the points A and B is 5 units. And the distance between the point B and C is suppose 3 units. So AB is 5 units and BC is 3 units, for example. Then what about AC? The total length. So the total distance is 8 units. Actually, this only here we need to verify. So first we need to find out the distance between the points A and B. Next we need to find out the distance between the points B and C. And the next we need to find out the distance between the point A and C. Thereafter we'll need to add AB plus BC. It should be equal to AC. In case if it is not equal to AC, so definitely we can say that the 3 points not lie on the same line. These 3 are not a collinear points. So let's discuss with this sum. So already you know the distance formula, square root of x1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square. So first point, first coordinate as A, second B, and third one is C. So first we need to find out the distance between A and B. So A 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3. Okay, consider as x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute in the formula. So you'll be get square root of 5, the answer. Next we need to find out the distance between B and C. So B is 2 comma 3 and C is minus 2 comma minus 11. So B is now we consider as bx1 y1 c x2 y2. Then substitute in the given formula. So I will be get square root of 4 square plus 14 square equal to square root of 16 plus 196 is equal to square root of 212. Next, we need to find out their distance C and A. A, C or CA. So if you are taking CA, you can consider x1, y1 and A x2, y2, or else you can take C as x2, y2 or A is x1, y1. Then substitute in this formula. Then you will be get square root of 265. Now we need to verify the condition. Add these to AB plus BC. We cannot add. At the same time, AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So this is not equal. So directly we can say that. So therefore the given points are not a collinear points. Students, let's discuss exercise 7.1 fourth Roman. Check whether 5 comma minus 2 comma 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So already you know that. What is the condition of the isosceles triangle? So isosceles triangle means two sides equal and the third side is unequal. So any two sides of a triangles are equal like this. Two sides and the third side is unequal. So take 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are representing the vertices A, B and C of the given triangle respectively. So first we need to find out the distance between the points A and B. So first we need to find out the distance AB. Next we need to find out the distances BC. Then we need to find out the distance AC. So first we need to find out AB. So we know the vertices. A is 5 comma minus 2 and B 6 comma 4. So first we need to find out the distance between the point A and B. So substitute in this formula square root of x1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square. And finally we'll be get the square root of 37. Next we need to find out the distance between the points B and C. So B and C, we need to find out the distance. So the distance is square root of 37. Next we need to find out the distances CA. So C at finally will be get 2. So now check it which are the two sides are equal. The side AB is equal to side BC. So we can say that the given triangle is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. So the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Students, let's discuss exercise 7.1 fifth Roman. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C, and D, as shown in the following figure. Champa and Shamali walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Shamali, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Shamali disagrees. So using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So you know that Champa and Shamali walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Shamali, "Do you think ABCD is a square?" The ABCD is seated of four students in a classroom. Shamali disagrees. Actually, here we need to verify. Okay, who's correct, Champa or Shamali? We need to verify by using the distance formula. So these are the locations of the students. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. These are four students. These are their places in the classroom. So first we need to find out their position. A, B, C, and D. So what is the position of A? A is in the classroom. Which place? That is third column and fourth row. Okay, she is sitting third column and fourth row of this classroom. So the point is 3 comma 4. The coordinate is 3 comma 4. Like this, that B is sitting in this classroom, sixth column and seventh row. So the coordinate 6 comma 7, and C 9 comma 4, and D 6 comma 1. So from the diagram are the position of four students. So now we need to verify they are sitting in this square. So how to find out? So first we need to find out the distance between AB, BC, CD and AD. If all the sides are equal, we cannot say that that is square, because the rhombus also all sides are equal. Then how to verify? First we need to find out all the sides. All the sides must be equal. At the same time, the length of the diagonals also equal. The diagonals AC is should be equal to the diagonal BD. The sides equal. At the same time, the diagonals also should be equal. Then only we can say that the four students are sitting in the square shape. So first we need to find out the side AB by using distance formula. So substitute in this distance formula, then you will be get the answer as square root of 18 equal to 3 square root of 2. And next we need to find out the distance between the students B and C, BC, by using distance formula B and C. So x1 y1, then C is x2 y2. Then substitute in this formula, then we'll be get 3 square root of 2. And the next we need to find out CD. So the CD answer is also 3 square root of 2. Next we need to find out AD. So AD is also 3 square root of 2. Substitute in the distance formula. So see that their sides are equal. So now we can know that it may be square or rhombus. Next we need to verify the diagonals. So diagonal AC. So the diagonal AC is 6. And next diagonal BD using distance formula, that is also 6. So the length of the diagonal is also equal. So we can say that directly they are sitting in the square shape. So we know that the ABCD is a square. So which answer is correct? Champa was correct. Actually, Shampa told the students are sitting in this square shape.